How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys, and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Temu affiliate program is, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individuals and businesses to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides the tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into temu.com. As you can see, this is the website, and we have here a various products. You can select your favorite products if you want. Then if you want to be an affiliate partner, all you have to do, just scrolling down and click over here, affiliate and influencer earn commission. This is the home page. You can get started, but before scrolling down to know some important information. Here we have how to start with the Temu affiliate program. You can just join, share and earn. Also we have here some questions and we can say information. The first one we have, what's the Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run any referral or affiliate programs? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw the commissions and the rewards? You can just click over here and get your answers. Here we have the answers into each one questions you want to know. Then you can just sign up. You can click over here, join now, and write your email or phone number. You can also use Google or Facebook or App Store or other options if you wanna. After your inscription, if people come to your link and they click over on your link, first of all you will get your commission whatever they buy, but they will get also $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also you can win a competition by getting bonuses. So all you have to do, join, share and earn. Here we have some ways to earn money on Temu. The first one we have selling physical products, list and sell items such as handmade crafts, apparel, electronics or home goods. Source product from suppliers or create your own to sell. The second one we have offering digital products. Sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses or digital art. Digital products have the advantage of no shipping costs and instant delivery. The third one we have provided services, offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting or virtual assistance. Create detailed service listings with clear pricing and delivery times. We have also affiliate marketing. Promote other sellers' products and earn commissions and sales generated through your referral links. Utilize social media, blogs and email marketing to reach a broader audience. Moreover, we have dropshipping. Set up dropshipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Let's know some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. The first one we have selling physical products. The example is handmade jewelry. For products we have handcrafted bracelets, necklaces and earrings. For description we have detailed descriptions and highlighting materials, craftsmanship and unique design. For image we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. For pricing we have competitive pricing based on material cost, time invested and market demand. The second one we have offering digital products, example online courses. as you can see here. For this one, we have for product, handcraft bracelets, necklace, and earring. Coding or personal development. For description, we have course syllabus, learning objectives, and benefits for students. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access through a learning management system. For pricing, we have one-time free or subscription-based access to course materials. The third one, we have providing services. Example is freelance writing. We have services first. Content writing for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. For description, we have clear explanation of services, including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis, with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The fourth one, we have affiliate marketing. The example is Teach Gadgets, as you can see here. We have first products, promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. For method, we have share affiliate links on a Teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. For commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through your referral links. For content, we have write reviews, unboxings, or how to guide to attract potential buyers. The last one, we have drop shipping. Example, we have home decor, as you can see here. Home decor. We have products. First, trendy home decor items like wall arts, rugs, or lighting. For supplier, we have partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefront, we have create abundant online store showcasing the products. For marketing, we have use social media ads, influencer partnership, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. Customer service, we have handle customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. So making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online businesses. By following these steps and leveraging Temu's features, you can build a successful venture. Whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers, Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So you can earn money in the Temu by showing your product in Instagram, Pinterest, or in social media, and just encourage people to click on your link and buy something. So this is it for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.